Hi, when you're trying to install Windows 10 and you get an error like this that says the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error, Windows installation cannot proceed. To install Windows, click OK to restart the computer and then restart the installation. I'll show you how to fix such a problem. To start, when you see something like this, you press down, you click on Shift and F10. So Shift and F10 will bring out, will open the command prompt. In the command prompt, you type in regedit, Register Editor. Type regedit and you click on enter to start the register editor. So when the register editor comes up, you go to the H key local, machine, system, setup, status, and child completion. I'll put the link down there on what you should look for. Okay, let me go up. You go to the H key local machine, then you look for local machine, the H key local machine, and you look for system. So from system, you go down, you look for setup, and from setup, you look for status. You click on status, and from status, you go to child completion. So you click on child completion over here. So we'll have to change the value. We'll change the value data from 1 to 3. Then we'll click OK to save changes. So after that, you close Registry Editor, and you restart your computer. So we change this value here, the value to 2. Sorry, to 3. From 1, we change it to 3. You see where it says change. So you saw what I did. I right clicked on the. Just follow everything I've done. So you click on OK. So we'll close this and restart. So that is it. So that will fix your problem. So now Windows is loading now. It was not doing this before. So that error message is gone forever. Alright, thank you for viewing this short tutorial on how to fix your Windows 10 error message of not installing Windows 10. Thank you.